Nice. Left the trunk open the whole night. What a guy. I am something else. Alrighty. Alright, let's hear this cold start. See how healthy it is. Oh yeah. We are good. That is a very healthy cold start. Sounds like my car. Oh yeah, now we're chilling. Oh, he should be great. Alright, I will catch you guys on this drive. No lights on the dash is actually beautiful. The only thing left is that little triangle, and I can prove to you guys that it's nothing serious. Where is it? I think it's this. It's the rear turn signal bulb. So once he replaces that, he'll have a fully clean dash and it'll be amazing to look at. But yeah, oh, it looks so good. Sounds good. Very healthy, very healthy. Anyways, guys, welcome back to another episode of Vlogmadan. It is officially day 14 of Ramadan. So we have passed the 2-week mark. In just 6 days, we'll be at the 20-day mark and then approaching the last 10 days of Ramadan. It's honestly extremely crazy to say because it feels like it started yesterday. But Alhamdulillah, I've had a pretty good Ramadan so far. I hope everyone has had a good one as well. But yeah, we will be talking about the E90 today. So after I get home from work, I'm going to be working on the E90. Hopefully, if everything goes as planned, by the end of tonight, at a normal hour, the E90 should have, if not one wheel hub off and then the new one installed. We should have both side wheel hubs off, and then all I have to do is put on the wheel hub. So super excited about that. Yeah, I will catch you guys when I get back from work. But also, I didn't put this on camera the other day. So Kareem drove my car one night, and like he didn't know how to get out of a gas station just because like the incline was like steep. He didn't break anything, but I'm pretty sure like as he was going down, I think the actual like the road hit the nut that secures my oil lines, because my car's leaking oil from the oil cooler area, which is like really weird because the last time I did that, I drove over train tracks and it completely destroyed it. So I'm just I'm assuming I just didn't tighten it completely so that as he drove down that incline, I think that just slightly loosened it, because it's not like dripping oil, but I put my finger where like the nut is and there's oil. I'll show you guys when I get there tonight, but yeah, so far so good. I'll catch you guys when I'm at work. Healthy, bruh. I told you, it's healthy.
Normally. What is that? It actually starts normally, bro.
I'm telling you, bro, your car is good. Your car is good, bro. No, is it just so much better?
What is this? Is this gear?
Wait, try shifting into gear. Like, literally, it's so much better, bro. It's so different.
What is that?
It feels like an M3.
Dude, no. And the RPMs is like so stable.
Yeah, they're not fluctuating.
Oh my god, I don't feel the bumps anymore. I don't feel like. Wait, what is this? Wait, I want to see this. This is my favorite.
Oh yeah.
Nothing.
No brakes. No brake light.
Oh my god. Wait, this is way too peak.
It's smoother, right?
It's so much smoother. I mean, the idle is already like tells me enough. This is insane. I've never felt a normal idle in so long.
Oh, I have put M drive on.
What does that mean? M drive.
I saw it in Carly, so I turned it on, and then I set power to P500 Sport.
P500 Sport.
I don't know what that means.
What does that even mean?
I just saw M drive.
So M drive pops up now? Before
Yeah.
it wasn't M drive.
No,
There
because
wasn't M drive.
I added it on Carly. So I was like playing around with it, trying to figure out.
So you've that's the most powerful, I guess.
I guess so, yeah.
Have you felt difference in driving? Probably not, right?
I haven't really sent it, so I haven't gotten a chance to feel the difference.
I'm scared to send this wet. I'll die. There's she BMW Doctor, N54 Doctor. And I got the step 2 colds. The coldies, the frozen plugs. The shifter feels so nice, dude.
Yeah, it's $10.
$10 for this is crazy.
Because it's a dupe of this EHP shifter that's
Yeah.
like 100. And obviously that was better because it's like weighted, but like this one is really good. Like
Oh my god, that shit feels insanely good.
it's not like tall.
Yeah. It's like when I first bought it.
Yeah, literally. Chilling. Comfort access. Ah, the E90. The E90. Sheesh.
And in the car, I was like, I'm not even kidding. We're like, maybe 30 minutes. Or maybe 20 minutes. Off camera, I demolished Ozzy. Ozzy got cooked.
You're not even in camera.
He's that was just like as like for training purposes. I wanted to see where he was in his skills.
Yeah?
But,
Where was that?
Nah, it's all fake now.
It's all fake?
Yeah, I wasn't trying. Ozzy's getting better. He's almost there. He can beat me soon.
Nah, because I've been driving every day, so it's fine.
Get out the car. Get out the car right now. Get out the car. 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 Real life GTA right here. Get out the car. Get out the car. Get out the car.
Oh? Yeah,
You on the automatic. Oh. Where's the...
yeah, you're already dead, bro. Yeah, I learned in the class you gotta just go like this. You just gotta move the gun. So you gotta move the gun like this.
What class? Alright, we got the car. We got the car. We got the car.
You're already dead, bro.
Alright.
You're already dead. Wait, hold on.
I got the foot of the clutch on.
Okay.
Come on now. It's not my first time doing this.
Alright, go ahead.
Alright, guys. And that is how you get a brand new car for free. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Look at this guy. And it just started raining harder. Alright, how do I... Oh, this shit right here. Oh! Haha! It's too much work. Alright, Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. I don't know how to use that. It's too much work. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. don't know how to turn on this windshield wiper, bro. Kind of BMW technology. Y'all hear that? Sounds so nice. I think that's it. I feel like it looks like 1940s East Germany during World War II or something.
It's a good transition, but like, nah, it's like a decent translation because.
No, that's a win.
Alright guys, I'm back home. I recorded an outro when I was still there, but I can't find the video, so I think I just forgot to. I forgot to press record. But anyways, I made some good progress. All of the like the control arms and the trailing arms, they're disconnected. The bolts are out. All I really have to do now is get the axle off of the hub itself and remove the handbrake cable. But the axle, like where the axle goes into the spleen or the splines of the hub is it's currently stuck in there. So I sprayed some PB Blaster. Tomorrow I'm gonna try hammering it out. But yeah, that's the current predicament we're in. Hopefully it'll come out, inshallah, but that will be in tomorrow's video. As of right now, I'm gonna get some rest. I just had an early suhoor just so I could sleep, and then inshallah I'll be up in the morning and we'll get back on the E90. But like I said in the video that never got recorded, it's really reminiscent for me working on the E90 again. So I had a good time, and inshallah the left side will be a lot easier. But anyways, don't forget, nothing's impossible. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.